Aloha everyone, Darren Fry here coming at you guys from the Kihei Canoe Club in North Kihei on the south shore of Maui, Hawaii. This canoe club was founded in 1973. It's one of the 4 oldest canoe clubs on island. Conditions permitting, they actually have a tourist program on Tuesdays and Thursdays. For a donation of $40, you guys are able to go out on these canoes, and the donation goes towards funding the Hawaiian cultural and Hawaiian education that they spread. We're out here today with the Hui o ka Waiʻola volunteer-based program. We test these waters to make sure that they stay safe and protected for 13 different parameters. We're testing it every 3 weeks, and we have 40+ volunteers all around the island helping out with that. So one cool thing about Sugar Beach is I'm actually personally born and raised on the other side of this street. I remember being on this beach when I was like 3 or 4 years old, and I used to lose my slippers in the ocean when I was walking along the coast with my grandma. It's really crazy how it's changed, how the ocean has changed, how the beaches and the reefs have changed, and that's why we want to make sure our water testing is there to help protect these oceans. So if you guys want to learn more about what we're doing, specifically here at the Canoe Club in Maui, check out MauiReefs.org, and thank you guys for watching.